How to change phone number on your Google account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Google application. Then go to your profile icon from your top right corner. Now go to manage your Google account. After that, go to personal info. Scroll down and then go to contact info. Now go to phone. And from here you will be able to change your phone number. Enable your device for verification and then you will be able to add your phone numbers. Go to add now if you haven't already added, but if you have already added and you just want to replace it, you will also get an option of add new, and then after adding the new phone number, what you will have to do is remove the existing one. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.